Hair loss is one of the most common problems worldwide, affecting 1/3 of the population. Everyone loses 100 hair strands each day. It is a natural phenomenon, so there is no need to worry over a few follicles falling off. There could be many causes of hair loss, which include diet, mineral deficiency, medications, stress, pollution and genetics. Putting on a cap, hat or helmet could also be another reason in men. Here's our list of 20 solutions to help reduce or deal with hair loss. Regularly wash your hair with mild shampoo. Regular hair washing is a part of preventing hair loss by the way of keeping hair and scalp clean. Doing so, you are lowering the risk of infections and dandruff that may lead to hair breakage or loss. Moreover, clean hair gives the impression of more volume. Vitamin for hair loss. Vitamins are not only healthy for overall well-being but also good for your hair. Vitamin A encourages healthy production of sebum in the scalp. Vitamin E betters blood circulation in the scalp to help hair follicles remain productive, and vitamin B helps hair maintain its healthy color. Enriched diet with protein. Eating lean meats, fish, soy or other proteins promotes hair health and in turn helps curb hair loss. Scalp massage with essential oils. Those who have been experiencing hair loss for quite some time must massage the scalp with essential oil for a couple of minutes. It helps your hair follicles remain active. You can add lavender in an almond or sesame oil. Avoid brushing wet hair. When hair is wet, it is in its weakest state. So avoid brushing wet hair because the chances of hair loss increases. But if you must comb wet hair, use a very wide-toothed comb. Also avoid brushing hair too frequently, as doing so can injure hair and increase loss. Use your fingers to undo tangles, not a comb or brush. Garlic juice, onion juice or ginger juice. Rub one of the juices on your scalp, leave it overnight and wash it out in the morning. Do it regularly for a week and you will see noticeable result. Keep yourself hydrated. The hair shaft comprises 1/4 water, so drink at least 4 to 8 cups of water in a day to stay hydrated and for the growth of healthy hair. Rub green tea into your hair. Studies have shown that rubbing green tea into hair may help curb hair loss problem. All you need to do is brew 2 bags of green tea in 1 cup of water, leave to cool and thereafter, apply it to your hair. Rinse your hair thoroughly after an hour. To see results, practice this regularly for a week to 10 days. Know what is bad for hair. If you want to keep hair healthy, you must know how to take care of them. Avoid rubbing your hair dry with a towel. Rather, let hair dry naturally. Reduce alcoholic beverages. If you are experiencing hair loss, then lessen your alcohol intake because drinking alcohol reduces hair growth. So decrease or eliminate alcohol to see an increase in hair growth. Avoid smoking. Smoking cigarettes reduces the amount of blood that flows to the scalp, and this causes a reduction in hair growth. Physical activity. Make time for physical activity every day. Walk, swim or bike for 30 minutes a day helps balance hormonal levels, reducing stress levels besides reducing hair fall. Distress studies in the past have found medical evidence to link stress with hair loss. Distress yourself. One of the ways of doing it is by practicing meditation. Alternative therapies such as meditation and yoga not only reduce stress but restores hormonal balance. Avoid constant heating and drying. Don't subject your hair to frequent, constant heating and drying procedures. Heat weakens hair proteins, and constant heating and drying can lead to weakness and fragility that causes hair loss. Keep your head sweat-free. Men with oily hair experience dandruff during summer due to sweating, and the chances of hair fall increases. Using shampoos that contains aloe vera and neem can keep the head cool and prevent from dandruff. Also, men who wear helmet experience major hair loss in summer, as the sweat accumulates in the pores and weakens hair roots, causing hair loss in men. So wearing a scarf, bandana over your hair or a terry cloth headband can prevent hair loss. Change how you style your hair. For men with long hair, if you are losing your hair lately, you must loosen up your hair. Hairstyles such as ponytails, braids and artificial hairstyles pull hair or tug hair follicles, and can eventually cause baldness. Take care of your health. Health problems are harbingers of hair loss. Ensure you deal with chronic illnesses, high fevers and infections properly to ensure healthy hair. Keep a watch on medications. Certain medications may have side effects, one of which could be hair loss. Consult a doctor to ask about conditions that you may have. Let him know if the medication is causing hair loss, and if that is the case, ask him to change the medication. Keep away from chemicals. Harsh chemicals and permanent hair color products could be damaging for hair health. When you are experiencing hair loss, it is advised not to color your hair. Schedule appointments with doctors regularly. There are many health conditions, particularly skin-related conditions, that causes changes in hormonal balances which in turn lead to hair loss. Make sure you see a doctor regularly for your underlying illnesses and conditions.